Close your eyes. Just for a moment, can you hear the quiet? The soft morning? Small sounds far away? Today we listen slowly. No pressure. You do not need to speak yet. Just listen first. That is enough. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. You can take your time. You are in bed. Morning light. A window nearby. Pale sun inside. White curtains. Moving a little. Cool air enters. Soft and fresh. You breathe in. Slow breath. Then out. The pillow is warm. Your head is heavy. You stay still. One moment more. A bird outside. One clear sound. Then quiet again. You listen. Only listen. No need to answer. No need to try. Just hear the room. A cup on a table. Still and waiting. A blanket near you. Soft and warm. Your hand moves. Just a little. Fabric sound. Very soft. You notice your breath. In, out. Slow and calm. Maybe you woke early. Maybe not yet. That is okay. You stay here, in this calm. A far car passes, low and distant, then silence again. Light on the wall, slowly moving. You watch it, without thinking, a deeper breath, your shoulders relax, you listen again. A second bird. Closer now. You turn your head toward the window. Trees outside, green and still. No wind, just morning. You stay quiet. A small sound from the hallway. You pause. You listen. You take a small breath. You feel the room. The blanket shifts. Soft movement. You turn slightly toward the light, warm sun. On the bed, you blink slowly. The day is starting, but slowly. No hurry yet. You hear your breath. Steady. You stay here, just for now. A bird again. Very close. You listen. You take another breath. You remain right here. The light grows, very slowly, across the bed, soft and warm. You notice it, on your hand. A small warmth, gentle and quiet. You move a finger, just a little. The blanket shifts, a soft sound. You listen again, only the room. A distant car, then nothing. You breathe in, cool morning air. You breathe out, long and easy. Your chest rises, then falls. Slow rhythm, safe rhythm, maybe you stretch. Just a little, your arm moves. Up and down. A quiet yawn. Very soft. Your eyes half open. Light again. You see the window. Trees outside. Green and still. Morning calm. You listen. For another sound. A bird calls. Short and clear. You follow it. With your ears, then silence. You stay here. In this calm. No need to move. Not yet. The room holds you, soft and warm. You notice your feet, under the blanket, warm and still. You take a breath, a deeper one. Your shoulders drop, relaxing slowly. Maybe you think, maybe you do not. Both are okay. The light shifts, on the wall. You watch it, without effort. Time moves, but gently. You remain here. One more moment. You hear a small sound. From outside, a door closing. Far away, you listen, then let it go. Back to the quiet, your breathing steady, calm and slow. You feel the pillow under your head. Soft and familiar. You move slightly. A tiny turn. The blanket folds near your arm. Fabric against skin. Warm and safe. You listen again. Only morning. No voices, no noise. Just space. You breathe in. Fresh air, you breathe out. Slow release. Your eyes blink. Once. Light enters. You look at the window for a moment. Trees and sky. Soft colors. You stay. not rushing. You hear another bird, closer now. You listen, a small breath. You feel the calm. The morning stays quiet, soft and open. You rest here, one more moment. The light on the wall, warmer now. It reaches the bed. Slowly, you feel it. On your arm, a gentle warmth. You breathe in, deep and easy. You breathe out, long and soft, no rush to move. Not yet, the room is still. Holding you, a small sound outside, a bird again, 2 notes, then quiet. You listen. Without trying, just hearing. Your hand shifts, across the blanket. Soft fabric, light sound. You notice it, then stillness. Your feet move, under the covers, warm and calm. You stretch slightly, just a little. Then rest again, your eyes open. Halfway. The window bright, morning clear, trees outside, green and calm. You watch them. For a moment, a leaf moves. Tiny motion, then still. You take a breath. Fresh air, you hold it. Just a second, then let it go. Your shoulders soften. Relaxed now. You listen again. The quiet remains. A distant car. Low and slow, then silence returns. You stay here, inside the calm. No need to think, no need to speak, just breathing, a small blink. Your eyes rest, the light grows, across the room. The day is coming, but slowly, you turn your head toward the window. You hear another bird, very close. You listen. A soft sound. From the hallway, a step maybe, then quiet again. You stay still. You feel the bed, soft and warm. The pillow below, gentle support. You breathe again, slow rhythm, in, out. You remain right here. The light touches. The edge of the blanket. You watch it. You take one. Small breath. You listen and stay. The room holds its quiet. Nothing asks you to move. A soft line of light rests on the floor. You notice it without trying. Your breath comes in, cool and easy, then out, slow release. A tiny shift in the curtain, just a little. A small sway. You hear fabric, touch the window, soft, barely there. You stay still, your fingers rest on the blanket. Warm cloth, familiar weight. You move one finger, then stop. The sound is small, almost nothing. You listen again. Outside, a bird moves closer. One short call, then another. You follow the sound, just with your ears. No need to see. A deeper breath. Your chest rises. Then falls. Slow rhythm. Your eyes open. A little more. Light spreads across the wall. A gentle glow. You notice the ceiling. Plain and quiet. A tiny shadow. Moves slowly. You watch it pass. Your head turns slightly. The pillow shifts. A soft sound. You settle again. No hurry. A distant door closes somewhere. Very far, very soft. You hear it. Then it fades. Back to the quiet. You breathe in. Fresh morning air. You breathe out. Long and calm. Your shoulders rest deeper now. You feel the bed under your back. Steady. Safe. A faint sound. From outside again. A passing car. Low and slow. It moves away, leaving stillness. You stay here, inside the calm. Your eyes blink. Once light returns, you listen to the quiet space around you. Nothing urgent, nothing loud. Just morning. Your hand slides a little. Across the blanket. Soft texture. Gentle friction. You stop again. You take one small breath. You hear the bird again. Closer now. You listen. You remain. The light reaches the edge of the bed. A soft warmth on the blanket. You notice it. Just a little. Your breathing stays steady. In. Out. The room holds its quiet, nothing changes fast. A faint sound from the street, a car passes, then fades. Silence again. You listen to the space around you. Your hand rests near the blanket fold. You feel the soft fabric. You move one finger. Then stillness. Your eyes open a little more. The window glows gently. Morning sky, pale and calm. You turn your head slightly. The pillow shifts. Soft sound. You settle again. Your shoulders sink into the bed. You take a deeper breath. Hold it, then release. A bird calls from nearby. Clear, simple. You listen. The sound lingers in the air. Then quiet. You stay inside this moment, no rush to stand, no need to speak, just breathing. The light moves slowly across the wall. You watch without thinking. Your feet rest under the blanket. Warm. Still. A small stretch through your arm, then rest again. You listen for another sound. A faint step somewhere far, then nothing. You remain in the calm. You take one small breath. The room stays quiet. The morning grows a little brighter. Light reaches your hand now, a soft warmth. You feel it without moving. Your breathing remains slow. In, out. The blanket rises slightly, then falls. A quiet rhythm. You hear the faint hum of the day beginning far away. Not loud, just present. You stay here. Your fingers rest loosely. A tiny shift. Then stillness. You listen to the quiet again. A bird outside. One short call. Then another. You follow the sound for a moment. Then let it go. Your eyes blink. Slow and easy. Light fills more of the room. The window glows softly. Trees outside, still and calm. You notice the ceiling again. A shadow moves slowly. You watch it pass across. You take a deeper breath. Hold. Release. Your shoulders sink further down. You feel the bed support you. Steady. Safe. A distant car rolls by. Low sound. Then silence. You stay. Inside this calm. No hurry to stand yet. No need to think ahead. Just this moment, your hand moves slightly across the blanket, soft fabric under your fingers. You stop. You listen once more. The room remains quiet, a faint sound from outside. A bird again, closer now. You breathe in. You stay here. The light grows a little warmer. Across the blanket, soft and gentle. You notice it. On your hand, a small warmth. You breathe in, slow and steady. You breathe out, long and calm. The room stays quiet. Nothing rushes you. You hear a distant sound, a bird again, 2 short notes. Then stillness. You listen. Your fingers rest lightly on the blanket. You feel the soft texture. A tiny movement, then still. Your shoulders drop a little more, relaxing. You take one deeper breath. Hold it. Just a moment, then release. The air feels cool. Fresh morning air. You remain here, in this calm. No need to stand, not yet. The light on the wall moves slowly. You watch, without thinking. Just watching. A small sound from outside, a car far away. Then quiet again. You listen to the silence, between sounds. That quiet space. You breathe in, you breathe out. Your body feels heavier, more relaxed. The morning continues slowly. You stay right here. You hear one more bird, closer now. You listen. You take a small breath. The blanket shifts slightly. You settle again. The light touches your arm. Warm. Soft. You notice it. And stay. Stay here for a moment, just as you are. You listened. You stayed calm. That is enough for today. If you like, you can listen again, slowly. No pressure, no hurry. This is CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. When you are ready, we will continue, just like this.